grill is off. You have multiple bolts here. The ends are 5.5 and the ones across the top will be a size 8. Bottom bumper's off. When it's lined up, there's these clips right here. There's an edge facing up for all the ones on top. Grill is off. You have to pull all these back, every last one of them. If you have one of those nylon prying tools, just like that, right there, then it should be a somewhat easy job. Alright, the new RTR grill from American Modified is finally on the bumper. It's literally just plug and play. You just push it into all the clips and it goes right in. Alright, and it's on there. So it's a pretty simple, straightforward ordeal. We just took off the radiator cover, popped all these out, popped the bolts off the top. We took the bolts out the side,